What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are staring into the face of the future. This is the 2026 Cupra Tindaya Concept, and honestly, it looks like something that just landed from another planet. Named after a sacred volcanic mountain, this isn't just a car. It's a statement of war against boring design. Cupra says, "No drivers, no Cupra." And looking at this beast, you can tell they mean it. Let's dive in. Just look at this exterior. It is aggressive, sharp, and absolutely massive. We're talking about a 4.7-meter-long crossover sitting on giant 23-inch wheels that fill out those muscular arches perfectly. The front end features what Cupra calls the black mask, a deep, dark, recessed area with integrated digital screens that can actually breathe and animate light. Those signature triple triangle LED headlights look like predatory eyes. Stepping inside through those dramatic reverse-opening suicide doors, you enter what Cupra calls the driver axis. Everything is angled toward you. There isn't even a central infotainment screen because they want you focused on the road. Instead, you get a massive 24-inch curved display right behind a yoke-style steering wheel that feels more like a fighter jet control than a car. Now let's talk about what's happening under the hood. The Tindaya is built on the Volkswagen Group's next-gen SSP platform, and it's packing a serious punch. It features a dual-motor setup delivering a massive 365 height text kWh. That's roughly 490 text hpp. Because it's a range extender hybrid, REEV, it uses a 1.5-liter engine purely as a generator. This setup gives you about 300 text kWh of pure electric range. But with the range extender, you can blast past 1,000 text TME on a single tank. On the safety front, Cupra is pushing phygital interaction. The car uses advanced augmented reality on that 24-inch display to highlight hazards in real time. Because the black mask front end can communicate with pedestrians through light animations, the car literally talks to the world around it to keep everyone safe. It's also packed with the latest autonomous sensors hidden behind that transparent nose. In summary, the Cupra Tindaya Concept is a wild, rebellious look at where the brand is headed. It's fast, it's sustainable with its bio-based materials, and it refuses to follow the minimalist trend that's making every other EV look the same. It's a driver's car through and through, blending high-tech performance with a raw, volcanic spirit. That is the Cupra Tindaya. Is this the coolest concept we've seen this year, or is it a bit too out there for your garage? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd take this over a Tesla or a Porsche. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech and cars. I'll see you in the next one.